Welcome to Library Facts. Today, we will explore the concept of the zero budgeting system and how it applies to financial management, especially in libraries and organizations. Financial planning is crucial in any organization, including libraries. Efficient use of resources ensures that libraries can continue to offer their services without unnecessary wastage. One budgeting approach that has gained popularity is the zero budgeting system, or zero-based budgeting, ZBB. So, what is zero budgeting and how does it work? Let's find out. The zero budgeting system is a method of budgeting where every expense needs to be justified for each new period. Unlike traditional budgeting methods, where previous budgets form the base and adjustments are made, zero-based budgeting starts from a zero base. It means the organization starts its budgeting process from scratch, evaluating every single expense before approving it. It was developed by Peter Pyhrr in the 1970s. This budgeting method analyzes an organization's needs and costs by starting from a zero base at the beginning of every period. The zero budgeting system has several key features that make it unique and highly effective for organizations that want to optimize their spending. Let's explore these features. Key feature 1. No automatic budget increases. In ZBB, there are no automatic budget increases based on the previous year's allocation. Key feature 2. Focus on priority activities. Since every expense must be justified, ZBB forces departments to prioritize their activities. Key feature 3. Decision-making transparency. With a zero-based approach, budgeting decisions are made based on actual needs, rather than previous budgets. Key feature 4. Cost control. ZBB provides a systematic way of controlling costs by identifying inefficiencies and preventing wasteful spending. Now that we understand the basic features, let's take a closer look at how the zero budgeting system actually works. Step 1. Define organizational objectives. The first step in the ZBB process is to clearly define the organization's goals and objectives for the upcoming period. Step 2. Break down each activity. Next, each department or unit within the organization breaks down its activities and justifies each one. Step 3. Justify each expense. Once the activities are identified, every single expense related to these activities must be justified. Step 4. Rank activities by importance. After justifying expenses, the activities are ranked based on their importance. Step 5. Allocate resources. Finally, the budget is allocated based on the priorities set in the previous step. Now let's talk about how the zero budgeting system can benefit libraries specifically. Benefit 1. Optimal resource allocation. Libraries often work with limited resources, and ZBB ensures that these resources are allocated optimally. Benefit 2. Improved cost efficiency. Zero-based budgeting helps libraries identify areas where they can reduce costs without compromising the quality of services. Benefit 3. Encourages innovation. Since ZBB encourages rethinking of activities, libraries may explore new ways of offering services. Benefit 4. Accountability and transparency. With ZBB, libraries can provide transparent reports to stakeholders, showing exactly how funds are being used. While zero budgeting has its advantages, it also comes with certain challenges, especially when implemented in large organizations like libraries. Challenge 2. Resistance to change. Organizations used to traditional budgeting methods may resist the transition to zero-based budgeting. Challenge 3. Requires detailed analysis. The process of justifying every expense requires in-depth analysis and data collection. So, is the zero budgeting system the right approach for libraries? The answer depends on the specific needs and goals of the organization. Thank you for joining us on this journey to understand the zero budgeting system. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Library Facts.